My name is Morris, and I'm dry. And this is the Morris Zero. It's a dryer from the future. It might just be the fastest, gentlest dryer on Earth.
Which is good because I've got to be somewhere in 20 minutes, and this just happened.
Thankfully, the Morris Zero uses vacuum technology. No, not that vacuum, space vacuum. Because just like in outer space, the water inside Morris evaporates at a lower temperature, thus requiring less heat and energy to vaporize. Combined with its infrared heating system, it can dry your clothes in as little as 15 minutes. The world needs this.
Sure, I like kicking it at the laundromat every Friday night. But what am I supposed to do when all the machines are full? And I also don't need to be judged for my awesome underwear. Why be here when you could be here, safely doing laundry in the comfort of your own home? And I do mean safely, because the Morris Zero uses a moisture sensor system that detects when drying is finished and automatically turns off the device. Say goodbye to overheating, energy waste, shrinkage, and germs. Thanks to ultraviolet cleaning, Morris eliminates up to 99.9% of bacteria, so your clothes come out as fresh as newly harvested pistachios. Taking the Morris Zero on the go with you is as easy as pie.
Sweetie, we're on vacation. Do you have to do this now?
Whoops. Sorry, honey.
But seriously, this thing is pretty nifty.
Its compact body makes it easy to move around, and because it's ventless, there's no need for complicated pipe setups or installation. And when the detachable tank is full, you just remove it, dump the water, and it's good to go.
It is so handy. I don't know which Morris I love more.
So there you have it. A future where drying is faster, greener, and safer than ever before. So back us today, and you'll be the first to receive your very own at an exclusive discounted price.
Really are. You've tried the old school broom, the not so handy mop, maybe even a robot vacuum that promises a lot but delivers too little. Introducing Narwhal, the world's first self-cleaning robot vacuum and mop with the most advanced navigation. First off, Narwhal takes care of vacuuming up pretty much anything off your floors. But the magic actually starts with the mopping. Other robot cleaners that claim to mop only sweep the floor. Narwhal has reinvented the mop. It has rounded triangular mops that press down on the floor and rotate to really clean away those stubborn stains. Narwhal mops clean 3 times as efficiently versus other robot cleaners. Other robot cleaners clean the floor, and then you have to clean them. Defeats the purpose, if you ask me. Narwhal is totally self-cleaning. It automatically returns to the base station to clean, wash, and dry itself multiple times during mopping. And when the mopping is done, Narwhal keeps the mop dry and clean with its ventilation system. Most robot cleaners require remapping every time you use them, but Narwhal's home layout map can be used repeatedly once created. The map is created with the help of LiDAR technology. You know, what they use in driverless cars. Narwhal also avoids secondary contamination by making sure it doesn't pass over the spaces it's already mopped. You can even customize its cleaning strategy for different rooms and floors, like choosing which rooms to clean, in which order, how many times to clean, the type of floor, and it creates cleaning reports for you after it's done cleaning. Narwhal is also ultra quiet. You'll almost forget it's there. With its awesome sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping tech, Narwhal will make you wish you'd found it sooner.